Hello everybody, it's Stephanie from Coco and Allie Boutique Crafting Page. How are y'all doing tonight? I hope you are all doing great. I'm coming to you live with a really quick craft, and I think it's going to be fun and turn out really cute. So anyway, I'll go ahead and get started. I'll tell you what items I'm using. I've got these little 6-pack of the speckled eggs from Dollar Tree. They also have bags of like 12 or 18 of them too, but they didn't when I got these, so. But you can get more for your money now. I've got a little chick, one of the little wind-up chicks, and it came from Dollar Tree as well. Excuse me. And some moss. The Spanish moss from Dollar Tree. I'm not sure if I'll be using this or not, but it's a little daisy garland. It's just called floral garland, and it came from Dollar Tree as well. And then one of the cocoa liners from Dollar Tree. Say hello when you get on. So I'm going to start just by taking my tag off of the cocoa liner. I hope y'all are doing good tonight. It's the start of the weekend. What better way to start it than crafting, right? And then I'm just going to cut my Spanish moss open, because I think I'm gonna use the whole bag. And I'm just going to pull it apart. Try to do this where y'all can see it. And make like a little bird's nest. All right, so y'all see how I just did that? I made like a little nest out of that moss. Real simple. I was gonna see if I could fold down. I don't know if the cocoa liner will. No, I don't think it will. I kind of want to cover my edges of the cocoa liner, so just pull it apart. And I kind of, like I said, I kind of want the moss to cover up the edges of the cocoa liner. So just kind of pull it, you know, up around the edges. And as I always tell y'all, it doesn't have to be perfect, just cute. We're not shooting for perfection. Crafting is supposed to be fun and relaxing. So y'all see how I did that? I just put that moss in there and pulled it around, you know, until I got it the way I wanted it. And it looks like a big old bird's nest. And then the next thing we're going to do is put our little eggs in it. Little eggs. And y'all, if my video's acting crazy, the replay will be fine. It's been doing that lately, and I'm not exactly sure why. So just lay your eggs in. Hi, Mary. You know, however you want to lay them, just wherever. I'm not going to put them all in right now because I have my little chick I'm going to put in. Y'all, these chicks are so cute. They're the little wind-up ones. Whoops. See? See, they're the little wind-up ones. But nobody will ever know that it's a little wind-up one. I have to turn it this way for a second, y'all, so I can see what I'm doing, and then I'll turn it back around. I'm going to open a couple of them up so they look like they're hatching. Well, I say that, but these don't open. Hang on just a second. I have some that do open, I believe. I hope they do. These are the ones that I was telling y'all they have now. You get 12 for $1. I picked these up today when I was in there. But I thought I was just going to use these, but I want some of them to be open. So, I mean, they don't all have to be open, but I'd like some of them to be. You know, where it looks like a bunch of chicks just hatched. In the little nest. Let's see. Got a pink one open. Let's do a yellow one. Okay. Alright, so I don't know if y'all are going to be able to see this, but you see how I've just got the little eggs in there with the little chick? And then let's see what I'm going to do with this. I think I'm just going to drape, this is a garland, and I think I'm just going to drape it around it. We'll see. And I'm going to plug up my hot glue gun, and I think I'm going to glue the stuff in there. Y'all, this garland is so cute. Look at it. Y'all see? Well, if it would sit still. It's like little daisies. Alright. So I'm just going to put these in here the way I want. I tell you what, the weather's been so beautiful here. We're making a little bird's nest. Alright, y'all, so to glue my little eggs in, I'm just putting a little bit of glue on them. See, like that? You can see that. And I'm just going to sit them in here wherever I think they'll be cute. Let me put some little glue on his little feetsies, our little chick. Okay, so this is what we have so far, y'all. Is that not cute with the little eggs in there and the little chick? I just glued all that in. And then I have this little daisy little garland. And I just glued that leaf to the side of this, and I'm just going to kind of drape it over it in different places. I hope y'all are all having a fantastic Friday evening. All right, let's see. This is all wound up and, okay, there we go. And I'm just taking and just putting a little bit of glue Y'all, and I'm just gluing this wherever I see that I want to. Oh, it's your first time, Doris. PM me your address. I'm going to send you Happy Mail. Doris Warden. Welcome to Coco and Allie. I'm so glad you're here. All right, so y'all can see. Isn't that cute, y'all? Tell me, you know that's cute. I'm trying to decide. Okay, hang on just a second, y'all. I'm almost done. I know y'all are probably sick of watching me glue flowers on here, but you know, you got to get them right in the right place. You don't want it to look all silly. Okay, let me put this one right here. Y'all, isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, look at that. And I made it with all Dollar Tree stuff. It's a Dollar Tree cocoa liner on the outside, the Dollar Tree Spanish moss on the inside, a Dollar Tree garland. The little chick came from Dollar Tree and the eggs came from Dollar Tree.